Hi guys, it's David here from One Step at a Time, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your SD cards, corrupted ones you can't format. I have a video on how to format 64GB SD cards, and I noticed in the comments that some people were having problems with formatting them or corruption or just certain issues, so I just thought I'd quickly go over a way of hopefully fixing it. So I suppose we'll get cracking. The first thing you're going to need to do is open the command line prompt. We're going to be using that to check our disk. So to do that, you can either click on your search bar and type in CMD and hit enter, or the easiest way I find is just press your window key. It's just to the left of your space bar. So press that and X and you'll get this list. And then just go into command prompt admin. And then hit yes. And then here what we're going to do is we're going to run a check on the disk. So you have to have your disk plugged in so you don't insert your SD card that's corrupted. And once you have, if you're unsure what the drive letter is in it, just hit the Windows key again on your keyboard plus X and go into disk management. And in here it'll list all of your disks, USB, SDs, hard drives, and these are all my ones here. So it's showing you here there's DEC unallocated, that's my 16GB with a USB. This is my external drive here. So we're going down here because it's a little 4GB SD card that I have plugged in at the moment, and it's this we're going to be using. So I can see here that it's K. So this is very important. Make sure you pick the right one. Don't put in anything, because if you delete or repartition or reformat or do anything inside here, it'll remove all of your stuff. So just be double sure that this is your SD. Once you're happy that that is, just minimize that. And in here what we're going to do, we're going to run a scan and fix at the same time. So we're just going to go chk dsk. So it's check disk. And then you're going to go /F for fix, space, and then you're going to write in your drive letters. So K:. What happens is as soon as I hit enter, it's going to run a check. If there's any problems or errors, hopefully it should fix them. So just going to hit enter. And as you can see, Windows scanned the file system, found no problems, no further action is required. So there was nothing found if there was any errors or anything. This might actually help, might just fix your SD card, in which case you can go back out and try it. If you are, just press the red exit or just type exit and hit enter, and that'll back you out of that. If this hasn't worked, then the next bit is we're going to just wipe the disk. This will remove anything from viruses, trojans, anything on it. It'll remove all your files, all your partitions, volumes, everything. So, like I said, make sure, again, what we're going to do is we're going to use diskpart for this. So, just type in diskpart and hit enter. And as you can see, it's changed from Windows System 32, and it's going and it's coming into my computer then with the diskpart. I'll just expand this a little bit. Right, and in here then what we want to do is we want to list the disk. So list disk, and in here, as you can see again, it's listing. This is my C. If you're unsure, once again, just come in here. It's disk 3. So I know that my SD card is in disk 3, so just minimize that again. So then in here, then you want to select the disk that you want to work on. So just put select disk 3 and hit enter. And then it says disk 3 is now the selected disk. So everything we do from now on will be on disk 3. So just scroll up here. And then in here, what we're going to do is we're going to do a clean. So once again, better to check twice than to wipe out some hard drive or something that you need. So once you're happy and you have the right disk picked, just type in clean. And I'll just show you in here. It'll tell you it's successfully done, and as you can see it's removed it and it's unallocated. So that's wiped everything from it. So if there was any issues on it, that should have cleaned it all up. The next thing you want to do is, the only thing this won't do is it won't format if your SD card is over 32 gigabytes. I don't think they've fixed that in Windows 10. Maybe if someone knows, I don't have a 64 gigabyte SD card lying around, so there's no way for sure for me to double check it. So maybe if you can let me know in the comments. But once you've cleaned it, you can either go back out, you can watch my other video on how to format it. If it's under 32 gigabytes, I'll quickly show you here how to format it. So what we're going to do is create a partition first. So we're just going to say create partition primary, and it'll create a primary partition. As you can see, it's created a partition. The only thing is we haven't formatted it, just created a partition. So what we want to do is format it. So if you want to format it to FAT32, exFAT, NTFS, you can just do whatever here. So to format, just go format, and then it's file system equals, and then pick whichever one you want. So if it's exFAT, or so for this I'm just going to go FAT32. Now you can put a label on this at the moment if you want. So what I'm going to say is I'm just going to put a label on it. Label equals so what it's going to do is it'll format my little SD card now to FAT32. It's what I use on my camera. So my label is going to be new. And once you're happy, just hit enter. It says here is complete. Now this is the slow way of doing it, but if you've had an issue with your SD card or anything like that, this is the best way to do it, because it will check all of the blocks and stuff like that, and it'll do a proper job formatting it. There is an option to make it quick. Now if you have a large SD card, this can take ages, so I suggest going off and I don't know, having a few cups of coffee, watching a video or something, because it can take an hour at least. So having said that, if you want to do quick, all you have to do at the back of that is at the end of label new, just put a gap space and write quick, and it will literally be done in less than 10 seconds. So I hope that solves your problem. It should fix your SD cards when you turn around to go using them again. It should have wiped any issues or fixed them. So if it did, hit the like button, subscribe if you want, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers, bye.